Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to delete your account on the application of Trello. You will go to this application here. In this page, you will go to above here to this sign as you see and you will click. Then in this page, we click on settings and you will click. After that, in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of delete account. Here in this page, we click in this sign of go to web. And here we will wait a moment until you find this web here. And you will choose to delete your account. After you add language and time zone, then you can click delete account. So please don't forget